This is northern Pakistan, the land of Indus. Four of the world's highest mountain ranges meet here. The Himalayas, Pamir, Hindu Kush and the Karakorams form a spectacle not found anywhere else on earth. The very meaning of the word Karakorams is Black Mountain. This is a land of mystery and adventure, and its beauty conjures up precarious images of a journey through this land. "400 miles west of towering Ketu lies the valley of Chitral. And it is from here our battle of endurance begins." Jubilant crowd rises through the skies high above the overlooking mountains, Pakistan's greatest natural treasure.